to the top, got a filled up bench.
Alright guys, that's an interesting start, but I know I've made this video before, but today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to use a clutch on a dirt bike on the street. Probably not the best idea, should probably go to my house, but we've got the clutch here. I got a tip that most people don't tell you. I told you last video, but I didn't like that video, how it was kind of set out and that. So, cars and shit. I hope someone doesn't call the po-po on me. There's a Karen over there. So, this is the tip I have for you guys. I made this video before, but I didn't like that copy. So, there's a tip that most people don't say. Let's say you put the bike into gear. You let it out. Most people feel it engage here, and then they boom, let that shit out. So it stalls. You don't even... Most people think it's all gas, but you shouldn't do that. What is this car doing? It's more, the clutch does the work for you, but let it run its course is what I'm trying to tell you. Don't just like feel it engage and let go. Just like, say you put it into gear, it's still going, You probably don't even have to give it like that much throttle. But I'll show you what I mean now. So just kick start the bike, or electric start, whatever you have. Kick start's mine. So, put the clutch in, put it in gear. As you can see, it's engaging, but then most people feel it engage like that, and then they let it go like that. Shouldn't do that. You do it like this, like normally, like. Let the bike run the course, run its course, meaning, see, look, like the clutch is going and the front wheel is going. So look, this is how much gas you need to give it. Pretty much about that. Like, look. Not even as much as I showed you to give it. And the bike will go. So that's pretty much all you gotta do. Like this, see? Let the clutch run its course and grab, like this. It's not that hard, and then... Let it run its course, just like this. I'll do it one more time.
Fast as fuck, boy. Still fast as fuck, boy. Come get some.
See, I'll even take it down here and I'll show you guys. Look, most people do this. They just feel it engage and then let it go. Let it run its course, man. Here. I barely had to give it any gas just for it to go like that. This guy at this house here rides bikes, so I've talked to him before. He's a nice guy. Okay guys, that's gonna do this video. I hope that tip helped you guys out. I could help some of you people out. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Like, comment, and subscribe. Peace out.